Hey again everyone, welcome back here to MarineMax in Pompano Beach. My name is Chris Wenstrom, standing next to a beautiful Saxdor SX200. This is a super fun boat to drive, great lines to it, and just a great boat for you and a couple friends to scoot around in on the water. As you can see, beautiful honeycomb design in this wrap, works its way down the hull side, a nice heavy duty rub rail as well. As you see up in the bow, I do have two cleats, as well as your navigation lights, which stow away and pop up nice and convenient to keep that nice and flush up at the bow. Working our way down the side here, you see this is a double-stepped hull, so extremely fast, gets up on plane really fast, and just a ton of fun to ride around in. As you can see, the side of the gunnel here, there is a bit of a relief with a non-skid decking, so if we are up against a dock, this is a nice place to be able to jump back on the boat, easy reboarding. Nice sporty sports tower design. You can see the framework gives it a nice aggressive look to complement the accents here in the hull sides. So just definitely a head-turning boat when you see it on the water. These little receivers here are for a quick release fender system. So the fenders that come with the boat actually have a quick release tab, so you don't have to worry about finding a cleat here. It also keeps a nice seamless look as you work your way down the side of the boat. Here on board the SX200, wanted to start here with the power package we chose for this boat. This is Mercury's Pro XS 150 horsepower 4-stroke outboard. Incredible amount of power for this boat, wind you up to every bit of 50 miles an hour plus. And as you can see, we do have an activity tower here mounted over the motor and a ski tow point here on top for those days where you want to do some water sports on board. A convenient two-step reboarding ladder, which does stow away there up against the transom. Two convenient gunnel mounted storage boxes on opposing sides with a rubber gasket to keep water intrusion out. And both of these doors actually will close off if I wanted to keep my guests nice and secure, but with them in the open position, it allows two access points into the cockpit here. As you can see, we do have a non-skid sea-deck material that runs bow to stern on this boat, embossed in the Saxdor logo. So a nice material to give you a little bit more traction under your feet, as well as a little bit of a soft feel instead of just standing on a non-skid deck. So go ahead and come on inside and we'll show you the rest of the layout interior. I wanted to quickly talk about the seating arrangement here on this XS200. We do have dual captain's chairs, as well as a double wide bench seat here behind our two captain's chairs. The backrest is convertible into an aft facing seat if we are at anchor and we wanted to look at the kids swimming out in the water, just enjoy the view on the aft end of the boat. And then convenient storage for actually an onboard carry cooler here as well, which tucks away under the seat so it's not out exposed in the cockpit. Underneath both of these helm seats, you have additional storage, convenient, and then both of these seats will actually snap down back in place. Flip up bolster on each captain's chair. And then here at the helm, we do have a Fusion Bluetooth head unit, trim tabs, ignition, steering wheel, and then this dash is actually left blank intentionally so that you could select the GPS of your liking. All backlit switches there, and then a convenient place to store belongings here below. Phone, keys, wallet, all tucks away nice and secure. Standing up here in the bow, as you can see, 360 degrees of visibility. If I wanted to bring some fishing rods on board, you've got plenty of casting space up here. As I mentioned, that non-skid material runs all the way through the bow, so this is honestly a great place just to sit back and relax. And as you see underneath, an incredible amount of storage. So this is a great place to tuck any water toys, additional life vest. As I mentioned before, fishing rods can be stowed away up here, and then that locks down immediately in place. If you have any questions on the Saxdor SX200, feel free to stop by MarineMax here in Pompano. My name is Chris Wenstrom. My phone number is 727-460-4175. Thanks.